Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys, we are picking few cards, Taurus. If you like this reading and if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, Taurus. So these cards are for your general energies. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career circumstance, Taurus. Today we'll be picking one card for your moon energies, guys. This is the card. And one card for your love guidance. So we will see what are those cards as we proceed into the reading, Taurus. So let's start these cards for your general energies. We have Four of Pentacles in reverse, Emperor in reverse and Hanged Man. So in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are seeing people not accepting your ideas or not accepting the way you do things, maybe in your work. But Taurus, you are someone really honest, dedicated to whatever you do. So, but still, all your efforts and all your work is not being accepted by someone, so they may feel that you are not doing things in the right way. So some delays may be there or some opposition in work situation, guys. So people are against you. You need to be careful, guys, in your work. If you feel that there are people opposing you, competing with you, trying to show that they are the best, you must be really kind to them, but at the same time you must not reveal what you are doing. So this person may try to use your skills and talents and benefit themselves. So you must be really cautious, but handle the situation in a diplomatic way if it is someone in your work situation, guys. And maybe they are quite immature, they don't know how to handle the circumstances. Maybe they just want to prove themselves and they are trying to oppose you in every possible way, and they see that that is going to work, but it may look like an immature way of handling the circumstances. So the same way in your relationship, guys, Taurus, maybe this person truly feels that you are a very talented person. You have a lot of skills and you are a very good person, but they may not be that way. So they feel a little less than you. They do not feel equal to you. And that may be the reason they may have that some kind of an so low self-esteem because of the way you are. They see you as a confident person, a strong personality, determined and devoted to whatever goals you have. But they do not see themselves like that. So maybe all that trials or whatever difficult circumstances they have gone through has not given them clarity, guys. They are still in confusion, unable to decide whether to be with you or whether to leave you or whether to think of you in a positive way or the negative way. But their intuition or in their heart of hearts, they may have love towards you, they may have good intentions towards you, but they feeling really low with you. that may be the reason they are trying to really control you in some things, uh, trying to dominate you or control you, showing to you, trying to show to you that they are much better off than you. But in their heart of hearts, they really feel, what to say, they have a lot of low self esteem problem. That may be the reason, Taurus. So for your relationship, we picked one card and it says Temperance. So situation may be quite emotional today, guys, for both of you. Maybe this person may tell you what they truly feel or what is the reason for the way they are behaving. Maybe they are trying to control your actions or trying to control your decisions, whatever it may be. So circumstances may be quite emotional, but you are going to find that balance, find that understanding in this relationship, guys, Taurus. So for your career situation, we have King of Cups. So in your work situation, things will take a positive turn, guys, because you are someone really confident. You are a very devoted person, devoted to your goals. So you are going to see success very soon, guys, Taurus, in your work situation. So let's see what is your moon energy card, Taurus. New moon in Gemini, communication is the key. So that is what we were speaking about for your situation, guys, for your relationship. So today, maybe you must talk to this person, tell them what you truly feel. Maybe if you do not like the way they are, talking things through is going to give you the answer, whatever you are asking for. But if you feel that you cannot talk to them, you must journal what you feel, guys. Maybe whatever messages they have sent you, whatever emails they have sent you, and when you write it down and write down what you feel or what you feel you should tell them, when you write it down, it is just coming out of you and you're going to feel so much relief after that, guys. And maybe if you are thinking of a situation with someone really close to you, maybe a sibling or a neighbor or a very close friend of yours, maybe you are in some difficulty in that relationship, you need to start fresh. Go for that clean slate. Give up all that negativity you have, forgive and forget, and start all over again. That is going to help you, guys. And this may be the right time for you to tell someone. Maybe you are interested in someone, Taurus. If you are single, you should open your heart and tell this person what you truly feel, guys. So this is the time for communication, and communication is going to help you in a positive way, Taurus. So for your love guidance, we picked one card. So let's see what it is. It's humility. So humility just means that you need to remember that all of us are equals in this life. So no matter where we are, what we are doing, we must see that other person as that fellow traveler going through their life. They may have faced a lot of situations just like us, and you need to understand that you do not know what they have gone through, what obstacles they have faced. So you must try to be really have that balanced relationship with whoever it is, guys, and being really friendly, being really kind to that person. So if you are that way, if you try to understand that other person just like the way you are, accepting that other person completely, having respect for their feelings, that will make you a really humble person, and that will uh, take you towards the purpose of your life, give you a better understanding of your circumstances, and you will know what is your purpose of your being. So, being really kind and lovable with the people around us is what is going to give that happiness and joy, peace of mind today, Taurus. So, that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, Taurus. Thank you, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Taurus.